Today we're going to do a little taste test to see if this stuff is any good. It's Morningstar Veggie Bacon. That's what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna all taste it and see if it's any good, especially Ava. You think you'll like it? So I've got the stove on medium heat.
There we go, we'll make it.
And we're gonna make all of that? We're gonna make all of them?
No. I think we should only make like 4.
Yeah.
Or 3, since there's only 3 of us.
Make 6. All right, make half of it.
But we don't need that many. We will not eat that many. What if it's not good? I think we make 4.
But what if it's really good?
What if it's really good, yeah.
Then we make more. But I think we should only make a couple.
We can't unmake it.
How many's in there?
A lot. 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2.
Wait, how many more days to Colorado and New Mexico?
Like 20 or something?
20?
I think.
20?
No, not 20 days. 20 pieces of bacon.
Yesterday it was 8 and I was like...
Let me smell. Smells like bacon. Smells like veggie bacon. Looks like a candy. What are those candies called?
I don't know. I forgot.
Wait, hold on, let me see.
1.
That does. Ew, I don't know if I
2.
like that.
Just make 3, Dad. I think we'll
2.
That's so funny.
Oh,
3.
it's so gross. Honestly, it looks like paper.
It looks kind of like flat Twizzlers.
Yeah.
No, it looks like...
4.
Are you just making 4?
Gross.
How many you want to make?
I think we should make 4.
I'll make 1 more. Look at that.
How long?
That doesn't look so good. Let's do a little, let's flip it over.
Look at
Ooh, doesn't that look good?
Look at the crispiness.
What?
People eat this crap?
We don't know.
Okay. It's red. It's red bacon.
Wait, so it's not made out of any meat?
There's no meat.
Ew! I don't want to eat this. It seems super gross. It seems really gross. I don't want to eat it. That's what it looks like.
All right, Haley's gonna do the first taste test.
I'm really nervous.
This is veggie
And I'll be in the
bacon.
other room so I don't know what.
Her reaction is good idea. Good idea. Yeah, she wouldn't do her reaction.
What if it's red?
Taste it.
It tastes like bacon. It tastes like bacon. It's not right. It does, but it doesn't.
It does, but it doesn't.
Like,
What do you think?
that legit tasted like nothing. Wait.
Okay. Are you gonna throw it away? Okay, Ava, your turn. Come on.
See, was it good? Don't tell me. Was it good? No, don't tell me. Was it good?
Now, think about it.
I'm so scared. It tastes like bacon. It tastes like bread. Like the church bread that they give you at church. It does.
It's
Take
not
another
bad
bite. Take another
though.
bite. Take another bite.
You know?
But then the aftertaste tastes like just really crispy bacon.
Huh.
It's not
It
bad.
has a bacon aftertaste.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. It tastes like bacon
One more bite. One more
after
bite.
you eat it.
Good.
We're vegetarians now.
What do you think?
It still tastes like that bread, but no, the aftertaste
That's
is.
what Ava just ate. Ew.
That's okay.
It tastes like hard bread. And then wait,
Yeah.
it tastes like bacon.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good.
No, it's not bad, but it's not good. I do, but I don't. I mean, I guess if you had nothing else to eat, this would work.
Yeah.
But
If you're a vegetarian, I
would eat this if I were vegetarian.
Yeah.
I'm not.
oh, yeah. But after a while,
I mean, it's very close to the real taste. It's very close.
if you had to rate it 1 out of 5, 5 is the best food, 1 is the worst food. What would you rate it?
I like a 2.5.
2.5. What would you give it, Ava?
I mean, it doesn't look good, but it tastes close to it, but the aftertaste is really bad. So I'm
it's
gonna
not.
give it. Yes, it is.
Okay, what would you give it? Rate it.
Well, you see, just kidding.
I've never had bacon before.
So I would probably rate it a 3.
3? Oh, that's not too bad. I think if I rate it 1 out of 5, I would give it 2.
Oh, 5? I thought you said 10. Oh, I'd give it a 0.
Just as I suspected, it leaves a horrible taste in your mouth. Oh my God. A horrible aftertaste.
I drank water.
I'm gonna give it like a 1 out of 5 now because that stuff is just freaking horrible.